nominations for Streamer of the Year.
Extra Emily, ishowspeed, Jason the Wing,
And the winner for Streamer of the Year, ishowspeed.
This is ishowspeed's 6th nomination and 5th win. 2nd win tonight.
Thank y'all so much. You know, I started this 5 years ago when I was 15, and now I'm 20 now. So, you know, next year is gonna be a hell of a crazy year as well, and it's gonna be more crazy shit. So, hey, shut up, man. I love y'all so much. I appreciate everybody. Y'all already know it's Speed here. Here go the backflip, y'all.